Good afternoon, I'm Brian Sears with Crown Point Outdoors. Today I'm going to demonstrate the CC Snap Holster Thumb Brake Adjustment. The CC Snap Holster has a set of thumb brake straps that secure the pistol in the holster and enable quick release single action draw. The straps are installed in the factory default positions for both right or left hand draw style holsters and can be adjusted to fit your specific pistol size and shape. Each strap is secured to the inside of the holster with hook and loop material that allows easy adjustment. First, let's start with the thumb strap. The thumb strap is the shorter of the two straps. On the inside of the strap, it has the snap socket for connecting to the snap stud on the retaining strap. On the outside of the strap, it has the snap cap and a length of hook material that connects into the loop material on the inside of the holster. There's also a support inside of the strap here that helps with the thumb brake action. The thumb strap is installed on the thumb side of the holster for the draw hand holster style purchased. For instance, right hand holsters have the thumb strap on the left side of the holster, and left hand holsters have the thumb strap on the right side of the holster. So here is a left hand holster. The snaps are on the left hand side, and the thumb strap is installed on the thumb side as you would be drawing the holster. So as a left-hander, you would use it like this. So it's on the opposite side as the snaps are on the holster. Same with the right-hand holster. The snaps are on the right-hand side when viewed from the hammer end. And the thumb strap is on the opposite side of the snaps. Now the retaining strap is the longer of the two straps. It has the snap stud on the top end of it, and it has a length of hook material. These are both on the outside of the strap. On the inside is simply a fold over for a little extra support around the snap. This one is installed in the default position on the same side of the holster as the snaps are installed for the snap kits. So left hand has the retaining strap with the snap stud facing outward, installed on the same side as the snaps on the holster, and the right hand draw version, the same thing. It has the snap stud facing outwards, and it's installed on the same side as the snaps on the holster. Now that we understand the straps, let's adjust them. Okay, before adjusting the straps inside of a completed holster, I thought it might be good to show you with an unfolded holster the actual attachment of the straps. So this is a holster. It has not been sewn together yet. The final sew, which will be like this to turn it into a full holster. On this side is the inside of the snap studs, and then on both sides there is a full-length loop material that the hook material on each of the straps will connect to. So this is the thumb strap, and it gets placed with the bottom of the snap cap just above the outside of the, just above the outside of the holster, outside top of the holster. And in general, you want to, it goes down as straight as you can. It's not that critical. The important thing is where the position of this is at the top. As you can see, it is positioned just at or below the top of the holster. Now the retaining strap, on the other hand, is it's longer for a reason, so that it can stick out of the holster, because it's really designed to fold over the top of the pistol and then connect to the thumb snap or strap. And it's simply a hook and loop type material. The default position for these installed also covers up the inside of the strap, the inside of the snaps. And it looks like that when it's finished. Hanging out with the snap facing the same way as the snaps on the side of the holster. And what it does is once you have your pistol in there, it folds over, rolls over really the top of your holster or your top of your pistol, and then snaps together. So that you have the thumb action as you're drawing, grabbing into the pistol, you're able to unsnap this. Now there's nothing here to hold that. The pistol actually serves part of that thumb brake action. Simulating a pistol in here, when your thumb hits it, it'll snap it open, and we'll demonstrate that when we get everything together. In the factory position, the retaining strap may need to be adjusted to hold the pistol in place depending on the pistol size and shape. So let's take a look see how my pistol fits into this holster that's factory adjusted straps. One thing to keep in mind is the position of the hammer. Because the strap folds over the hammer area, the position of the hammer matters. So I carry with my hammer down, and that's the way I'm going to adjust these straps in this particular case. Remember, always use an unloaded pistol to ensure your safety. So first, let's insert the pistol into the holster and see how well we fold over the strap, snap it to the thumb strap. You'll notice there's quite a bit of play with the pistol in the holster. Also, with it as loose as this, as much space as there is in there between the pistol and the top of the strap, the thumb brake won't actually work correctly either. So you'll want to have it much tighter than that. So we'll release that. Let's adjust the retaining strap. So all you do is hold it. I usually mark where it's at. I had an idea of how much it needs to go down. Let's take it down about 3/4 of an inch. And then you slide your hand in between the hook and the loop material and free the strap. And then simply slide it down about that much and reconnect the hook and loop material. Put the pistol back in. Fold the retaining strap over the top of the hammer area and snap it together. Now we have a much better fit. It holds in there nicely. And we have a good thumb brake action when we're drawing. So, with the thumb strap in the factory set position, which is with the snap cap at or just below the top of the holster, that seems to be a good position for this one. And now that we've adjusted the retaining strap, it works quite nicely. Depending upon the size of your pistol, you may need to also adjust the thumb strap. So we'll go through that process. It's the same as when you're adjusting the retaining strap. Determine whether it needs to be higher or lower. Hold the top. Release the hook and loop material internally. Adjust it to where you want it to be, like so. Reattach the hook and loop. The nice thing is when you insert a pistol into the holster, it will firmly connect the hook and loop material on both of these straps. Put your pistol back in, reattach the straps, and see how your fit is now. In this case, it's perfect. Just like the right hand draw holster, the left hand draw holster is adjusted the same way. This one has the factory setting of the thumb snap or thumb strap, bottom of the snap cap at or just below the top of the holster, and I've already adjusted the retaining straps similar to what I did on the right hand one. So I'd like to demonstrate the action on this one as well. I'm not a left-hander, so we'll see what I can do here, but basically it's the same exact action, draw action. You reach down, grasp the handle, push your thumb to the side to release the thumb brake, and pull the pistol. Now when the holster is mounted to a snap kit, obviously you don't have to hold on to this. It's kind of a nice action. You just put the pistol in and attach it and snap the two together, but the same action. With the thumb brake straps adjusted, you're now ready to mount the CC Snap holster to a snap kit for personal protection day and night. Enjoy your holster.